Imagine a world where your financial success is not just a result of hard work or luck, but something you can actively draw into your life every day with just 5 minutes of your time. This isn't about magical thinking or mere wishful dreaming. It's about understanding and utilizing the law of attraction, specifically tailored to manifesting money. Today, we'll explore how dedicating a mere 5 minutes daily to a simple yet powerful money ritual can align your intentions with the vibrations of wealth and prosperity. The law of attraction is a universal principle that suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. When it comes to money, this law holds a significant promise. By focusing your thoughts on wealth and abundance, you are more likely to attract these very things into your life. But, the key to unlocking this potential is not just in wanting more money but in how you prepare your mind to receive and handle wealth. The process begins with understanding that money and wealth are forms of energy. In the world of the law of attraction, like attracts like, therefore, if you want to attract money, you need to ensure that your own energy resonates with abundance. This isn't achieved overnight but through a consistent daily practice that helps tune your mind and spirit to the right frequency. Incorporating a daily ritual into your routine is a powerful method to focus your intentions and clarify your goals. Daily rituals anchor your day and provide a moment to reset and realign your thoughts and energies toward your financial aspirations. Think of these rituals not as chores but as small investments into your future self and financial stability. The effectiveness of daily rituals lies in their ability to transform your everyday habits into conscious actions that connect you directly to your financial goals. When practiced regularly, these rituals help to cultivate a mindset of abundance and a proactive attitude towards wealth creation. They move you from a passive state of wishing for financial gains to an active state of creating opportunities and opening yourself to the prosperity you seek. These rituals don't require extensive time commitments. They are simple, quick, and to the point, ensuring that they easily fit into your busy schedule. The simplicity and brevity make it more likely that you'll stick with them, making consistency your ally. While these practices become a regular part of your life, they build up a cumulative effect. Every day, you're laying down another brick on the pathway to your financial fortress. While we move forward, you'll learn exactly how to perform a 5-minute ritual that has the potential to significantly alter your financial landscape. We'll cover how to prepare your mind and your space for success, utilize powerful visualization techniques, and create affirmations that reinforce your financial goals. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools you need to begin attracting wealth with just 5 minutes of your day. Let's move on to addressing some common misconceptions and then look into how you can set up your mind and space to effectively engage in this powerful money manifesting ritual. When discussing money rituals, it's crucial to clear the air about what these practices are not. They are not about superstitions or magical formulas that guarantee sudden wealth. Instead, these rituals are practical exercises that help you align your mental and emotional energies with financial success. By focusing on the simplicity and effectiveness of such practices, you foster a realistic approach to attracting wealth. One common myth is that money rituals are overly complicated or mystical. This is far from true. The ritual we are focusing on today involves simple acts grounded in positive psychology and clear intention setting. It's accessible to everyone, irrespective of one's background or current financial status. The power lies not in the complexity of the action but in the consistency and intent behind it. Another myth is that results should be immediate. While it's natural to desire quick outcomes, the most impactful benefits of money rituals often manifest over time. Think of this practice as planting a seed. It requires nurturing and time to grow. Patience and persistence are your allies here, ensuring that your efforts bring sustainable and long-lasting rewards. Before you begin the 5-minute ritual, preparation is key. This involves getting both your mind and your physical environment ready for the task at hand. Preparation sets the stage for success and ensures that your short investment of time each day is as effective as possible. Mental preparation, your mindset plays a critical role in the success of any law of attraction work. Begin by clearing your mind of negative thoughts or doubts about your ability to attract wealth. This can be achieved through a few deep breaths or a brief meditation focusing solely on your breathing. The goal is to reach a state of calm and openness, where your mind is receptive to positive affirmations and focused visualizations. Physical space preparation: the space where you perform your ritual should be clean, organized, and free from distractions. This doesn't mean it needs to be devoid of personal items, rather, it should be a space that feels positive and uplifting. If possible, include elements that represent wealth to you, such as a picture of a dream home, luxury items, or even symbols of abundance like gold coins or a lush plant. These items can enhance your focus and strengthen the connection between your ritual and your financial goals. By debunking common myths, you allow yourself to engage in money rituals with a realistic and optimistic outlook. Meanwhile, preparing your mind and space creates an environment conducive to success. While you continue to apply these practices, they become second nature, each day building a stronger foundation for your financial growth and stability. We'll break down the specifics of the 5-minute ritual, detailing each step so you can start applying it today. Following that, we'll cover effective visualization techniques to enhance the impact of your daily ritual. This ritual is designed to be both straightforward and powerful, requiring only 5 minutes of your day. The focus is on simplicity to ensure it can be consistently performed over time, which is crucial for attracting and maintaining wealth. Set a timer. Begin by setting a timer for 5 minutes. This helps keep your practice focused and prevents the session from extending beyond the intended time, making it easier to fit into your daily schedule. Relax and breathe. Sit in a comfortable position in your prepared space and close your eyes. Take a few deep, slow breaths to center yourself. This step is about achieving a state of calm, where your mind is clear and ready to focus solely on the task at hand. State your intentions. Clearly state your intention for the ritual. You might say something like, "I am attracting financial abundance into my life easily and effectively." Feel free to adjust the wording to suit what feels most powerful and truthful to you. Visualize spending the majority of your time here. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine the feelings of having the financial freedom you desire, whether it's experiencing joy from being debt-free, the security of a robust savings account, or the thrill of making a big purchase without concern. Affirmations: conclude with affirmations that reinforce your visualization. Repeat affirmations like, "Money comes to me easily and frequently," or "I am a magnet for financial opportunities." These should be positive and stated in the present tense to enhance their effectiveness. Close with gratitude. As your timer ends, finish your ritual by expressing gratitude. Thank yourself for taking the time to focus on your goals, and feel gratitude for the abundance coming your way. Effective visualization is key to activating the law of attraction. Here's how you can enhance your visualization techniques during the 5-minute ritual to maximize its effectiveness. The more detailed your visualization, the better. When imagining your financial success, include specifics. What does the scene look like? What are you doing? Who might be with you? How do you feel? Engaging all your senses makes the experience more vivid and real, thereby increasing its power to manifest. Practice your visualization regularly. Consistency is crucial in embedding these images into your subconscious, making them a part of your belief system and reality. Always incorporate emotion into your visualizations. The emotional connection to what you're imagining reinforces your desire and attracts it faster. If you're visualizing buying a new home, feel the excitement or peace that comes with it. Focus on positive outcomes. Avoid thinking about what you don't want to happen. Keep your visualizations positive and centered on your successes, which programs your mind to pursue these outcomes. By incorporating these steps and techniques into your daily routine, the ritual becomes a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. With just 5 minutes a day, you're not only setting your intentions but actively drawing the wealth you desire into your life. Let's reflect on the journey we've started upon together. By integrating daily affirmations, consistent visualization, and a dedicated mindset, you are setting the stage for financial abundance. The key to harnessing the full potential of this practice lies in your commitment and belief in the process. Accept this ritual as a daily connection to your financial goals, knowing that each moment spent in visualization and affirmation is a seed planted for future prosperity. As you continue to apply these techniques, observe the shifts not only in your financial status but in your overall outlook on wealth and abundance. Your persistence and positivity are your greatest allies on this journey. If you found value in this video and are excited about transforming your financial reality, please like and share it with others who might benefit from this powerful ritual. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content designed to empower you on your journey to abundance. Your engagement helps us grow and continue providing valuable guidance. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success. May your dedication bring you the prosperity you deserve.